everyone, and today we're playing Chicken Farm. Where we got it, well, I guess make it Chicken Farm. I think what the game is that you just like, you see these balls, you gotta collect them, and then you gotta go, over here. Deposit eggs, sorry, here. And there you go, you got $1. Pick up that $1 to buy some more eggs. So yeah, deposit. Over here in the center, I have no idea what's going on. There's some shops over there, I guess. But anyways, my goal is to get 2 full rows of tier 3 or 4 eggs. Tier 4 eggs. That's okay, cool. Let's see how far I can go in 20 minutes. Starting now. Okay guys, so for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save up so I can buy 5 $35. Okay, there we go. Getting some money. I'm gonna buy this 2%. Okay. There we go. And 4 eggs. Deposit the eggs. That's it. That's all it gave me. What? I'm not buying this thing. Bro. I wanna buy it. Ooh. Why are they Minecraft chickens? That's so funny. Why are they Minecraft chickens? 5 eggs should just be $2. 5 eggs is $3. I mean, that makes sense, but like, bro. Boom. Boom. You know what you can make with 5 eggs? You can make like almost 3 omelets. Let me save that ball ready for that. Give me the money. No, I'm not buying it. Not buying it. I'm not buying it. Yes, just give me the eggs. I'm not buying it. That thing is useless. I'm getting 5. $45? Why? Could have bought 5 for 35. No. Has to be expensive. Wait, that's $10. Perfect. So around $3 for eggs or it's okay. And plus, I love how they do that, like, chicken notice. It's funny. 30s. Oh, right, it's 45. Five. Dang, look at all of this. Boom. Boom. More money. What is this? What did I just press? I don't know. All I know is that okay, why do we have a duck if it was in Minecraft, bro? Stop doing Minecraft stuff. This is Roblox, bro. It's kind of funny to me. 34 eggs. 1 egg equals 5. Bro, that's insane. Okay, I'm gonna get 2% max, 4%. Then boom, another 20 eggs. Wow. You know what? This might be easier than I thought. No, it's not. Guys, all I want is a tier 7, maybe. I don't know. Because I'm not filling the whole thing with tier 4. I don't know that. I just want to know how far we're going to go in 20 minutes. Buy 5 is $80 though. That's kind of expensive. Yeah, it is. It's okay. there's something called press the button. Alright, 1 tier 3, 2 tier 2. Does this give 10? No, it gives 25. That's insane. You can buy 25 for 600. That might be a good cash. Cause like you try to buy the most out of the least. Well, we got 100x, so that's just a point. Yeah, we're gonna buy 25 out of 600. No, cause if we buy like 5, it's gonna be 2. After that, it's gonna be even more expensive than 600. And I don't want it to be, so yeah. Let's just get all this money rolling in, and let's just go. That money. It's 4 per second. Here we go, we're done. No, we're not. I was just checking. Wait, no, there's some more eggs. I like this. It just gave us 125 in total. That's kind of cool. So, there we go. 396. Okay, I don't even know if it's 6 or 9 anymore. Sometimes 7. Like, what are these numbers? Is this random? Thank you for the money, Dad. Guys, trust me, it's gonna be more expensive for the 25 after. So if you guys trust me, I can do this, guys. 71. I'm just gonna be waiting here until I get all the money. 7 per second? It says 4 per second. It says plus 4%. Why are you saying 7%? Oh, I'll take that. Yay! So I can buy 25. Wow. That is a lot of things. I have just burned to a tier 4 and a tier 3. That was a bad one. Now it's 1,000. Okay. We're gonna upgrade you a lot. We just pause it. Let's just try 90 per egg. That's insane. Let's just collect this, put you bigger, like this, and put you even bigger. 34 per second, much better. Is this a baby? We're gonna have a lot more. This is 1,000 now. Makes sense, bro. I'm just making money. Yeah, though it makes sense that it's 1,000, bro. It's too easy. I pressed the merge button by accident. I keep pressing the merge button by accident. Cause it's right there. I'm not just gonna skip it. I might though. Tier 4s are kind of easy to make. But if I could make a whole row of tier 4s or see how far I go in 20 minutes, you know, it's easy. It's kind of easy. It might be, it might not. I'll just take this $1,000. That's insane. Okay, let's get some money. The bee egg, the chicken bee eggs, which I don't understand why they exist, are insane. Boom! I just bought 25 others, and I'm gonna merge them again. Okay, nice. We got 2 tier 4s. Now, apparently, there's things at the shop. I want to see what there's things. Or no, there's nothing. Oh, I thought. Sorry, I thought this was a shop. That's weird. There's nothing here else in the leaderboard, which is cool and all, but like I don't plan on being anywhere close to there. I just want to see how far it is. I go in 20 minutes, which I've already said a million times. I don't know why I'm saying it again. Oh my god, we just got like 1,000 hits or something like that. No, I'm not flexing. Let's just upgrade that. Dude, it's 100 eggs a second. That's great. He's like a huge amount. tier 3, tier 4, whatever it is. Should we get this one? I mean, sure. It's not that hard anymore. How much is it for 100? It's 8,000? Now that's a challenge. I accept. 8,000. Just this here. I don't remember that. Guys, put in the comments the how to emote, because I have no idea, bro. I forgot. Yeah. Alright, guys, look at all these eggs, bro. I'm gonna get so rich after this. Yes, 600 eggs. That's insane. Like, insane. Oh, wow. If I can get this, I'll be... Oh, and the auto merge too. That's insane. Oh, yeah. I have 3,000. Okay, guys, we're almost there. We're almost there at our goal. Well, not really. Well, not even halfway there. Ah, forget it. Go, 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 go. Just take everything. Take everything. What's wrong with me? Give me my 1,000. Give me my 1,000. Oh my god. Another, like, insane amount. Yes. $500. Well, there's more with there. Actually, no, it should be less. Yeah, I have 2 tier 4s. No, 5% less. Ooh, we're more than halfway there. Only 3 more thousands. That's good. We got this, guys. Bro, I circle around and they don't want to go inside my... I love how I'm just collecting them with my feet. Like my feet had pockets and hands or something like that. Alright, guys, we got 1,000 eggs, bro. Let's go. Deposit that. Easy. Oh, wow. That is insane. Thank you for your purchase. Have a good day. Okay, just give me that. What are these? Bee, and then ducks, and then basic. Why aren't they just called Minecraft chickens, bro? Because that's exactly what they are. Okay, those eggs. I have another 1,000 eggs. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is this? I mean, sure, yeah. Another bee? Could have. Oh my god, yes. My bee empire is coming together now. Yes. I only need 500, and I already have enough. Alright, guys, let's get this thing going. We got almost 8,000, and... Okay, now we have 8,000. Now we're gonna... Why is it 11,000? I didn't buy anything. I just got a lucky block, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, guys, never mind. I guess we're gonna have to wait another 1,000. That's it. But guys, at least we have 3 bees now, so like it's going much faster to get just like this. 1,000's easy now, guys. It's not that much. Oh. Oh, wow. A mushroom? Did I just merge something? Did that upgrade my thing even more? It did not. Okay. Alright, so now we have a mushroom tier 5, guys. How much does it give? 300. Oh my god, that's kind of easy. Well, no, really, actually. Okay, sure. Another mushroom, yes. Why? Why? This thing's making me mad. Fine. 6,000 for another 25. Yep, no. Nah, bro. Oh, no, I can't. Well, at least I got some money. Spend all this. New a dummy? That's mean. I'm not getting any. Oh wow. Oh no. Okay. I see what's going on. Oh no. Why is there lucky blocks flying? Oh wow. Oh wow. That gives us 1,000. Dude, I could get. Holy, that's. Dude, I already have 6,000. Nice, another mushroom. Tier 5 mushroom. Cool. Let's get this cash. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna have. Dude, that's 9,000. That's nothing. 9,000 is now nothing. That's kind of crazy. The dummy egg is worth it. I already have more than. I should have put this. That was expensive. Well, I still have 6,000 to go, so it's not that expensive. It's expensive enough. Yo, it's like 20,000, 39,000. I like 39,000. I mean, I can get that every day. Because one of them gives us. Alright, guys, watch this. I'm gonna unlock this one. I have 2 tier 5 slots. Another 25. Which also means rich. Cool. So now that I have around 10,000. Cost 9. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Cost 900. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Oh. So why am I getting these things? I like them. But why? Ugh, dang it, I have to pay those two. Never mind. I love how I'm speaking to myself, but in real life I'm just speaking to the viewers. It's like, to me I'm speaking to myself, but to you guys, I'm speaking to you. Exactly. So like, it's so weird, but I just buy 5. Next, but that's kind of weird still. Let's just merge everything. That one. A duck. You know how useless that thing is now? Super useless. Bang. Oh, 214. I'll buy a light 25 more. I'll buy a light 25. I gotta wait till I get some actual money and I'm not waiting for that. Oh, looks like time is almost up. 1 minute left. Alright guys, we gotta get as many eggs as possible. Sorry, we have to discard these. There's no time. Go, 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 go. And after that, I'm gonna buy another 25 more. Merge all of them. My best is now still a tier 6 duck. That's good. Okay, well now we have this many. Go, 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 go. We gotta make that money. Money guacamole. Go, 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 go. You got this. This is 800 per minute. Okay. Go, holy, oh la la, oh my god, oh no no. 10,000 deposit. Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Ah. So my max money was $26,557. That's what the time was one cash. Probably get some more things that I'm talking about. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And see you in another game. Yep. Like and subscribe for more.